Huawei's Honor 8 is one of the best looking phones at its price point. But is it a good performer? Let's find out.
So if you just look at Honor 8, it's such a good looking phone with 15 light reflecting glass panels on its back. The glass finish makes the phone look great, but you've got to keep it in a case as it's very slippery. And we all know how glass and fingerprint smudges attract each other. It has a completely flat back with two 12 megapixel cameras at the top left corner with a dual LED flash and a fingerprint scanner. On the front, we have a 5.2-inch screen with an earpiece, an 8 megapixel front camera and a notification LED on top of the display. At the bottom edge, there is a 3.5mm headphone jack, a USB-C type port and a speaker. There is an IR blaster at the top edge. Volume controls and the power button are placed intuitively on the right side, and on the left side there is a hybrid SIM tray. The fingerprint scanner also doubles as a button which is called Smart Key, and it carries out various functions based on the type of press. We personally dig this feature as it makes it extremely easy to use the phone with just one finger. The 5.2-inch screen is a 1080p Full HD screen with a sharp display. Honor 8 is powered by a Huawei-owned octa-core Kirin 950 processor and Mali T880 GPU. The phone is fast and responsive. We did not experience any unnecessary app crashing or reboots and was able to handle heavy gaming too. It comes with 4GB of RAM with two variants, one with 32GB of storage and the other one with 64GB of storage. Both are expandable up to 256GB using a micro SD card. Honor 8 runs on Android Marshmallow with Emotion UI 4.0 skin on top. Once you get a hang of the user interface, it is not so bad to live with. Well, let's talk about the camera now. Huawei has marketed the Honor 8 for its camera, and that's mainly because of the dual lens camera that churns out 12 megapixel shots. The phone has enough manual controls ranging from a pro mode, setting the aperture, to shooting videos in time-lapse and slow motion modes. The dual lens setup allows you to take shots with a shallow depth of field. Basically, it blurs out the background like a professional DSLR. Sometimes the shots are brilliant, and sometimes the phone doesn't quite separate the subject well. We've seen other phones execute this feature much better. But of course, they're at much higher price points. So for 30,000 bucks, Honor 8's camera is pretty good. The front camera is a good selfie camera for all you selfie lovers out there. Although we did not particularly enjoy clicking selfies with the beauty mode on. Oh, and another thing, while I started using this phone, there were constant battery saving notifications, which I realized that Huawei has built in to make your power usage more efficient. You can disable this from the settings, and here you will also find 3 power plans to manage your phone's battery, and I think this is pretty handy. Not just that, Honor has a unique power saving option called ROG that lowers your screen resolution to 720p to give you a little more juice. The phone has a 3000 mAh battery, which in our tests lasted a day on a single charge, which I think is decent enough considering we are always glued to our smartphones these days. It has a USB Type-C port and comes with an 18-watt fast charger. Overall, Honor 8 looks great, performs well and has a good camera. Keeping aside everything else, Huawei has really set the bar high by bringing in a premium looking phone with decent specs and features at this affordable price point.
So is Honor 8 for you or not? If looks and camera are important to you, then you should consider it. But there are other options available in the market, like the Zenfone 3, OnePlus 3 and the Xiaomi Mi 5. Hope you like this video. Like, share, subscribe.